There you go. All cleaned, put back together, reassembled, boot back on clean, ready to be put back into a BA6. Let's see what she looks like, all cleaned up, ready for a prom date. Very quiet, nice smooth running motor. These motors have more torque RPM than BN4. I haven't confirmed that on paper, but I can just feel it and see it from dealing with those guys over there. I think these move at a higher RPM and have more torque. So there you go, running, working, ready to go. BA6 Eberspacher fan motor.